Welcome to my part of the presentation about placing a module, and we're going to talk about the Focus module. I'm Sjoerd Kurvers. I joined Big Dutchman since the beginning of this year. I have a background in environmental science and in composting facilities. So what are we going to talk about? I have my next slide. What are the points of attention when placing the module? I made a breakup and we divided the chapters for today. We're going to talk about the building and ventilation requirements. And tomorrow, like Ron said, we're going to talk about installation requirements and how to install the air scrubber itself. But for today, we will focus on the building and ventilation requirements.